we're gonna put this thing together real quick. We're gonna just time lapse it out and see how long it takes to make. I'll start a timer and we'll go from there. So just about 20 minutes. So that's pretty much the last thing that I need to connect to the outside of the Xterra, and the next video is going to be packing and how we load it all up.